How do I block or unblock someone on Instagram? To take away somebody out of your record of blocked customers on Instagram utilizing the Instagram app for all supported variations of iOS, iPad and iPhone, Android, Samsung, Google, and many others, and Windows. Discover the blocked person in Instagram. You should utilize the Accounts tab from the search bar to isolate the search to person accounts solely. Faucet the profile you wish to unblock. Faucet unblock and make sure that you simply actually wish to unblock the person. Now you possibly can see the person's profile, the place you possibly can select to comply with them should you like. Unblock somebody utilizing Instagram on the net. To unblock a person utilizing the Instagram website on a PC along with your desktop internet browser. Visit Instagram on the internet in your browser. Go browsing to your Instagram account in case you are not but logged in. Sort the username of the account or identify of the individual you wish to unblock. Now choose the specified person from the autocomplete recommendations. Instagram might present the person account as unavailable. On this case, it's worthwhile to unblock the account utilizing the Instagram app for iOS or Android, see above. Choose unblock and make sure that you simply actually wish to unblock the person. That is it. Now you possibly can observe the person you simply unblocked on Instagram. View a listing of blocked accounts on Instagram. Sure, Instagram maintains a listing of all of the profiles you've blocked. To see it within the Instagram app for iOS or Android, you cannot entry the record of blocked customers on the Instagram website, so you may want to make use of the app. Go to your profile web page in Instagram. Faucet the menu button, after which choose Settings. Choose Privateness, after which Blocked Accounts. Faucet any blocked person to get to their profile, the place you possibly can unblock them utilizing the directions above. That is additionally helpful to unblock customers who might have blocked you. Nevertheless, although you've unblocked them, they are going to nonetheless must unblock you on their finish. What occurs when you unblock somebody? If you unblock an account in Instagram, the restrictions related to blocking somebody are lifted. They may have the ability to discover you once more utilizing Instagram's search. They'll see your posts and tales once more. They may have the ability to observe you once more. This won't occur routinely, although they'll ship you personal messages utilizing Instagram Direct once more. The person won't be notified whenever you unblock them. Comply with an unblocked Instagram account. If in case you have blocked somebody on Instagram, you've additionally unfollowed them, and new posts or tales won't seem in your Instagram stream. You additionally can't observe a blocked account till you've unblocked it. To observe the person once more after you've unblocked them, search for and open the person's profile in Instagram. This works within the Instagram apps for iOS and Android simply in addition to it does on the internet. Choose Comply with. If you happen to cease seeing updates from somebody, check if they unfollowed you on Instagram. Can you unblock accounts that no longer exist? Relying on the app or website, it will not be doable to unblock Instagram profiles that have been deleted or eliminated because you blocked them. Their names will seem in your blocked accounts record with no approach to work together with them. If doable, strive the Instagram app on a distinct platform. Now we have seen Instagram for Android in a position to unblock customers that the Instagram website and iOS app reported as non-existent or inaccessible. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.